Holland,
Let's dance.
are you dancing?
Dance. Dance.
Holland, can you come back too and dance?
Here, come here. Oh, let's dance.
I can't see you guys anymore. Oh, look at her shake that head.
Dance. We all fall down.
Ring around the rosies? Holland, let's see you dance. Oh, good girl. Are you dancing with Kama? Yes.
There are 2 quarter moves. There are 2 quarter moves.
That's nice, Holland.
Yes.
What kind of quarter moves? I never knew.
Gentle, baby. Holland, can you stand up and dance? Stand up. You gonna dance sitting down?
I'm doing my moves harder now.
Ellie, can you scooch over so I can see both of you girls dancing?
Here, come over here now. Right there. Dance right there.
Daddy, no.
You can do it without Daddy.
I don't like I need to hold my hand to go round and around.
You getting dizzy, Elle?
No.
You need a new dance partner.